Hi, I'm Mike Thompson, coming to you from the OU Innovation Hub Fab Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to safely operate our horizontal metal cutting bandsaw. This saw is really handy. It'll cut just about anything, quickly and neatly, but slowly. We have it set up to run on low speed because we don't run any coolant on it. Coolant is just a mess that I'd rather avoid, and so we go slow and don't have any problems. This little mechanism right here controls the blade feed rate. This valve right here is the stop. Perpendicular to the pipe is stop. Please put this in the stop position when you start. Stop to start, stop to start. Then you can raise the saw and it'll stay in place. With this saw, you want as much material as possible in contact with the blade, which is the exact opposite from the chop saw over there. You want to distribute the load over as many teeth as possible to avoid a chattering piece. So if you put it in like this, you only have a couple of teeth in contact with the metal, and that puts a lot of stress on the blade teeth. And your piece will tend to vibrate back and forth as the teeth pass. So you'll put it in like this. Make sure you tighten your piece in the clamp. Turn the feed rate knob all the way in clockwise. This will ensure the saw won't fall fast when you open the stop valve. Now open the stop valve and the saw should not move. If it does, close the stop valve and make sure the feed rate knob is tightened. With the stop valve open, slowly turn the feed rate knob and let the saw fall until it's just above your piece. Stop the blade there. Now you can turn the saw on by hitting this button. This other button is the stop button. And we don't touch this coolant pump knob. This red button here is the emergency stop. Hit it if something goes wrong. Twist it and pull it out to reset. Now you're ready to make a cut. It's best to go slow, and we typically set the feed rate knob in the 0.5 to 2 range. Much faster than this, and there's too much stress on the blade. Open the stop valve and adjust the feed rate knob as needed to get a nice slow cut. If you feed too fast, the blade will pop off the wheels and you can damage the blade. Turn the saw off immediately with the emergency stop and tell us if this happens. Keep an eye on everything while it cuts, and it could take a while. When it's done, the saw will automatically shut off. Now, if you're unsure about anything, please ask. You will not look stupid for asking. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm Mike Thompson, coming to you from the OU Innovation Hub Fab Lab. And what do you want to make?